really special guest in this morning in the form of Chef Martin Kobald, one of the top chefs in the world, whose school, the Chef MLK School of Cooking, has donated not only 2, but 3 bursaries to Hot Cares. And we're looking for the 3rd beneficiary of that bursary. Take a look at this.
Mansfield in the morning.
I've been singing his praises because I love him very dearly. He is a very special friend. Chef Martin Kobald, who, and I'm going to tell you not to talk now.
Yes, Chef.
Apart from saying good morning.
Good morning, Jeremy.
How are you?
Good morning, Sam. Good morning, John. Good morning, Simon.
Good morning, Martin.
Yeah.
Morgen, morgen.
Moin, moin.
Okay, I'll shut up now.
Yeah. Now, because otherwise he gets embarrassed and he starts saying, no. But you need to understand who this man actually is. He is an honorary president of the South African Chefs Association. He was president of the Chefs Association. Each country in the world that have chefs associations are linked to the World Association of Cooks Societies, WACS, and that is the governing body. But it's the sort of FIFA of chefs, okay?
Right.
That is the top governing body of chefs in the world. And Martin Kobald is the deputy president of the World Association of Cooks Societies. Technically, he is the 2nd top chef in the world. He would deny that and say, no, I'm not. This is a guy who travels every month and is judged. He's a grade A judge. He's an absolute legend in the chefing industry. And it's a pleasure to have him as part of, not only as part of our show, but as part of Hot Cares. Because Martin was the person who came to us when we ran the Teddy-thon and said, as part of the Teddy-thon, I will donate 2 bursaries to the Chef MLK Culinary School. And he's now come on and said, I'll do a 3rd one.
Yeah.
Yep.
Can I talk now?
Yes, let him talk now. You've gone on and on,
right.
you have.
No, and I just needed people to know the gravitas of the man who is part of this show today.
I think they've got it.
Yeah. You have already got 2 people who you are interviewing into
the Hot Cares sort of
Hot
beneficiary project.
Yeah.
And
And
you've opened up another
You've
one now.
opened up a 3rd one now.
Yeah, which we can announce today. So if anybody's interested to become a chef and has maybe not got the financial needs.
These courses are worth close to 100,000 rand.
Exactly.
That's
yeah.
what it costs for a 3-year period to become a qualified, an
chef.
Internationally qualified chef.
That's correct, yes. Yeah. Which you then finish off with a trade test after 3 years, which is a requirement of QCTO. And then you become a chef, yes. Qualified
That's amazing.
Yeah. That email address, once again, if you are interested or you've got somebody who you know is interested in becoming a chef and getting a bursary, a 3-year bursary, it's worth close to 100,000 rand.
And you earn on the job.
And
I think that's so important.
Exactly.
And it's what sets it apart.
You still that is what sets it apart. You get the City and Guilds bursary through the Chef MLK School of Cooking, but you are working and you are earning a salary at the same time. The email address, once again, enroll@chefmlk.com. Enroll@chefmlk.com. You can send through your details there and a motivation as to why you think you or the person you are motivating should be part of this.
Okay, now this is how things actually happen when you do cooking shows. What you do is you prep the thing first, and you cook it. And then you go back and you say, this is how we're going to make it. And you make the thing, and then you go, this is what it looks like.
Exactly. Voila. You see, it's all so difficult, isn't it? You know, cooking is so difficult. I mean, I don't know. That's why we're wearing this type of thing. I know yours is a bit tight, but that's okay. Mine's getting a little bit looser. Look at this. It's beautiful, isn't it? Huh? Sure. I don't know. But yeah, you're 100% right. There's a couple of tricks in the tray. So yes, that's exactly what we do. It might cling, so it means that thing is ready. So I can just about put it in.
Yeah. So you're going to put that in now.
No.
Okay, we'll go through all these ingredients when we put the pizza together.
We're actually doing it.
When we're actually doing it. Yeah, but this is for purposes of getting this cooked, so we can show you exactly what it looks like.
And so we look professional, so we actually know what we're doing.
No, well, you know what you're doing. I don't. And you got pepper juice as well, huh? Don't forget those. Yeah. That is one of the secret ingredients of anything that you're cooking. Honestly, is pepper dew, hey?
The real secret is the brine. Look at this. You just put a little bit on that one there because there's a lot of flavors inside there. And then we just put a little bit of rubs in there. Perfect. There we go. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Voila. Can I close?
Right. Hold this for a second.
Yeah.
And
What are you gonna do?
Explain what you're going to put on the pizza, because I'm going to get the other ingredients. Okay.
Oh, now it's getting dangerous. Okay. All right. Now, it's very simple. You just make. I just use a normal tortilla. You can also use some wraps or whatever, or you can obviously use a pizza dough. But it's just too much at this time of the day. It's just too much. Now, a beautiful tomato concasse, and I've got some onions, some peppers, some chickpeas. Some, of course, need to have some beautiful mozzarella. It's got to be real mozzarella. The next one, we're also going to put a bit of a chicken on there, and then some fresh herbs, some basil, some coriander, and of course some tomatoes. Oh, there's another ingredient here. Okay.
The other ingredient that is vitally important in any pizza.
Cheers, Jeremy. Cheers.
Right. Now let's cook.
Goodness. Okay, this one's just about to come out. Look how it's smoking. Please hold the microphone.
Why is it smoking so badly?
It's got to be okay. Don't worry.
Yeah. Yeah. That's what every chef says. Everything's going to be okay. The pedal. Yeah.
So the fire alarm doesn't go off. Okay, cool. All right, now
It looks absolutely gorgeous. There we go. Ah, geez. Okay. There we go.
voila.
Stunning. Great.
And when it comes out,
Looks like that.
simple, straightforward, and pizza is simple, straightforward.
And should be.
And it should be.
Yeah.
Absolutely. It's a family thing. It's easy. It's cheap. Anybody can do that at home. You can, if you got an oven like this, it's great. If not, you just put it in a normal domestic oven. Beautiful. Cheers.
Beautiful.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Hot Cares on Hot 91.9.